Now, good morning, children of class 3. Today I'll be doing your lesson 12, measurement. So, measurement is measured in different ways, okay? For solid and for cloth, for books, the books and thing, we take the length, room length, book length, kilometer, meter, okay? Centimeters, we have that. We measure with scale and tape. And then when we take the weight of something, then we do it with the weighing machine. That is, we have the weight here, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg you have. That is for fruits and vegetables, rice, wheat, all those things you measure in grams and kilograms. Then we have for volume. That is, volume is also measured like volume is 5 liters. It is measured in liters, okay? Then we have watch. So different measurements are there. Let's learn what it is. The need for measurement. You measure many things in your daily life. You know how much sugar to add to your milk, what time it is, and so on. Supposing you have a cup of milk, okay? How many spoons of sugar you are going to put? Like you're going to take 1 spoon, then 2 spoon. Some who take light sugar, je halka chini khaye, ora 1 spoon nebe, okay? And you then mix it up. And those who take beshi chini khaye, those who take too much of sugar, sweet milk they like, they take 2 spoon. So this is the measurement for taking the sugar, coffee powder, tea leaves, or anything like that, okay? Powder things, or you can take even the methi you have, okay? Or you have the mustard. You can measure with this spoon, okay? Now, that is the amount, size and amount. Measuring something is known as measurement. What we did with the spoon, we are measuring, okay? আমরা নাপছি কত চিনি দিতে হবে, 1 স্পুন 2 স্পুন, ওটা নাপনা, নাপনে को बोलते हैं measurement, okay? We measure things to find that the size or amount, their size or amount. Either इसका size क्या है, इसका कितना size है, तब scale या इंची टेप लेके measure करेंगे. अगर ये बुक का साइज़ लेना है, ठीक है, तो और अगर कपड़े का साइज़ लेना है तब हम लोग बुक इंच टेप लेके करेंगे, और बुक का लेना है भी तो हम लोग इंच टेप ले सकते हैं. That is called measurement. Many years ago, people did not measure things exactly. They used their hands or foot. So they use their hands. How do they use their hand? They use their hand by showing, that is one hand. See, they showed from here till here, the elbow. That is from here. ये हाथ का कोना से लेके ये हाथ तक, यहाँ पे तो हम लोगों का पार्टीशन है, ये हम लोगों का हाथ है. This is our hand. This top portion is our arms. Arms को नहीं ले रहे, ये हाथ. तो ये एक हाथ, 2 हाथ, ऐसे करके नापते थे. 1 हाथ, फिर यहाँ से फिर 2 हाथ, like that. That is called by hand. That is olden people. जब measurement ये नहीं था, facility नहीं था, যখন facility ছিল না তখন ওরা 1 হাত 2 হাত করে নাপতো, okay? They use their hands or foot to measure. How did they measure with foot? Foot length they used. Look at the sun to guess the time. Now by hand they measured, then by foot they measured in this way. See, 1 foot, then from here only they will do, this is, see, this is 2 foot, 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot, like this. Did you understand? By foot they measured. Then when they wanted to know the time, they used to look at the sun to guess the time. But the length of the foot and hand changes from one person to another. Some person have, see my arm, so big my hands are. Some people have small hands. Some people have big hands. Then if it is a small boy, he'll have a small hand. If it is a big man, it's a man, then he'll have a big hand. Did you understand? If the day is cloudy, we cannot see the sun. We cannot see the sun if the day is cloudy. So these things were not permanent. Okay, this was not permanent. So what they did? To avoid the confusion, we now use standard units and measurements. तो when if it is sunny then we can see the time. रोद्रु थाकले टाइमटा আমরা देखते पारी, धूप से हम लोग टाइम को मेजर कर सकते हैं। जैसे दिन का टाइम में 12 बजे बहुत ज़्यादा धूप हो जाता है, फिर 3 बजे के करीब थोड़ा सा धूप कम होने लगता है, ठीक है। उसके अनुसार हम लोग टाइम देखते हैं, which is always the same. It does not change when measured by different people or different times. If we measure with the spoon, it will be the same. It cannot change. Did you understand? So now I'm going to show you all how it is. The standard unit is a unit which is always the same. It does not change when measured by different people or different time. Nothing it will change. By hand if you measure, different people, different hand. If you measure like this also, एक हाथ फिर 2 हाथ, ठीक है। तो किसी का हाथ बड़ा है, किसी का हाथ छोटा है, लेकिन when we have the proper measurement, then it will be the same standard. Standard माने एक स्टैंडर्ड, एक रकम का होगा लेंथ, गलत नहीं होगा। लेंथ tells us how long an object is. Now let me come back, children.